Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing the wonderful Princess Tiana and her frog friend from Disney's The Princess and the Frog, but with a super fun rubber hose cartoon twist. If you love Disney characters, vintage cartoons, and creative drawing tutorials, you're going to love today's video. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and turn on notifications. Grab your pencils, get comfy, and let's get started. Let's start with her large, expressive eyes, one of the most charming features in this rubber hose version. Next, draw the long eyelashes. They instantly add elegance and personality to our princess. Remember, if any step feels difficult, feel free to pause the video at any moment and continue at your own pace. Drawing should always be relaxing and fun. Tiana became Disney's first African-American Disney princess when the movie was released in 2009. The Princess and the Frog marked Disney's return to traditional hand-drawn animation after several years focusing mainly on CGI films. Now, draw Tiana's small, delicate nose. We'll color it pink later to give it an extra cute touch. Let's add her smiling mouth with adorable heart-shaped lips, giving her a sweet and cheerful expression. Above the eyes, add the simple curved eyebrows. Keeping them clean and minimal fits perfectly with the vintage cartoon style. Draw the ear and the small earring, adding a subtle but lovely detail to the character. Next, shape the cheeks and chin to create the overall structure of her head. Time for the hairstyle. We'll create a beautiful headband bun hairstyle, shaping the front hair smoothly around the head. Now draw Tiana's leaf-inspired tiara, one of the most recognizable elements of her princess design. Behind the tiara, add the elegant hair bun, keeping it large and nicely rounded. Don't forget the cute isolated curl falling beside her cheek, which adds extra charm and movement. Since we're drawing in the rubber hose style, remember that simplicity, fluid curves, and exaggerated shapes are always welcome. Draw a long and delicate neck to emphasize Tiana's graceful appearance. Great! Now we're moving on to the body. Sketch the slender torso, giving our princess a graceful silhouette. Next, create the bodice of the dress, using soft, leaf-inspired shapes, just like in the original design. elegant necklace, a small detail that completes her royal look. Around the waist, draw the large, simple flower decoration that ties the whole dress together. If you're enjoying this tutorial, don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your friends. And if you'd like to see even more characters drawn in our fun vintage style, click the card above and check out our complete Rubber Hose playlist, filled with characters from many different franchises. Also, let me know in the comments, which character would you like to see next in the Rubber Hose style? And now we arrive at the true cherry on top of the Rubber Hose style. The arms. Long, curved arms that look almost like flexible rubber tubes are what give this art style its iconic appearance. Draw the right arm forming a big C shape, creating a playful and dynamic pose. Now add the right hand resting gently on her waist, keeping the fingers relaxed. Our Princess Tiana is looking absolutely beautiful and elegant, isn't she? For the glove cuffs, we'll create a cartoony shape that looks almost like a donut wrapped around the arm. Next, draw the left arm curving upward, since Tiana is waving in our illustration. Add the left hand in a waving pose, making it welcoming and expressive. Notice that we're drawing the hands with 4 fingers instead of 5. This is a classic cartoon technique used for decades to simplify animation and character design. Don't forget those elegant long gloves. Now let's create the overskirt, using long, flowing leaf shapes to reinforce Tiana's nature-inspired design. Tiana's dress was especially inspired by the world of swamps, water lilies, and botanical elements, which perfectly reflects the atmosphere of the movie. Continue with the beautiful full skirt, giving it a soft, rounded shape. Finish the dress by drawing the bottom hem, allowing the fabric to flow naturally. Actress Anika Noni Rose provided the speaking and singing voice for Princess Tiana. Now, let's draw our beloved frog friend, who is actually Prince Naveen transformed by magic in a super fun vintage style. The design of our frog is a special tribute to Flip the Frog, the classic cartoon character created by legendary animator Ub Iwerks during the 1930s. For the frog, focus on the expressive eyes, wide smiling mouth, confident pose, simplified shapes, and those long feet with pointed toes. These features help create that authentic early cartoon feeling. Prince Naveen spends a large portion of the movie transformed into a frog after being cursed by Dr. Facilier. Princess Tiana is known for her hard work and determination, eventually achieving her dream of opening her own restaurant. Disney animators visited New Orleans to study the city's architecture, landscapes, and culture while developing the film. The villain, Dr. Facilier, also known as the Shadow Man, quickly became one of Disney's most memorable modern villains. And here are some color tips for when you're coloring. For Princess Tiana, start with warm brown skin tones. Her iconic dress can be colored with beautiful light green and pale yellow tones. For the hair, use deep brown shades with subtle lighter brown highlights to give it a soft shine. The gloves, flower details, and tiara can use creamy yellow colors to match the magical fairy tale aesthetic. For Prince Naveen in frog form, bright greens work wonderfully. You can add darker green shadows along the sides of the body and lighter green highlights on the belly and face. Of course, these are only suggestions. Feel free to color Princess Tiana and the frog in any way you like and make your artwork uniquely yours. And here's our Princess Tiana and the frog. They turned out absolutely adorable in this rubber hose style. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!